Most people believe that if a property have a C of O, that the property is safe to buy. But having a land or a property that have a C of O does not mean that that property is good to buy. I used to think that knowledge was everything until I discovered this. Imagine you believing in something all your life, only to discover that you are completely wrong. If this has happened to you before, on the comment section, share your experience with us. Let's learn together. In today's world where there's so many misinformation flowing around the internet, you've been able to differentiate knowledge and truth is very, very much crucial now. Knowledge is the key to freedom. Yes, popular say everywhere, but the key to that freedom got to be checked properly. I used to think that knowledge was power. Are you in that same realm with me? But that is not necessarily the truth, because you can learn the wrong thing. Let me make reference to what was said in the Holy Book, what Jesus said. He said, the only thing that can set you free is not knowledge. Go and read that verse very well. He said, the knowledge of the truth. It is dangerous to learn the wrong thing. It's very dangerous to learn the wrong thing. But some people are experts in learning the wrong thing. Come, let's talk. So, knowledge does not really mean that you are smart. Jesus. Get this right. You have to learn that you can learn the wrong thing. And what you've learned might not be true. So the most dangerous thing for a person is for the person to have knowledge that is very, very erroneous, and the person believe that is the truth. This is the most dangerous human being I've ever met, because you don't know that what you know is actually wrong. That is very erroneous. This is very dangerous to humanity as a whole, because if you have the loudest voice, you will share that error and people will believe that is true. And this is common in the internet. So you need to be very, 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 very careful. People who have the wrong information might be the loudest. So you need to make sure that you get the right information. Let me share one of the wrongest information that you see on the internet and most people who want to buy property believe. Most people believe that if a property have a C of O, that the property is safe to buy. that sounds true, right? I have a lot of friends that will call me and tell you, Dennis, I want property. If I can buy property in Lagos, the property must have C of O. And without that property having C of O, I will not buy. Let me let you know this. That information, even though it looks like if it's true, but having a land or a property that have a C of O does not mean that that property is good to buy. Because that property that have C of O in reality might have issue like disputes of ownership, might have incomplete documentation, might have encumbrance, might have legality of ownership, might have fence challenge, border challenge, might have omolile challenge. So the truth is this, just like Jesus said, that what sets you free is not the knowledge, is you having the knowledge of the truth. That's what will set you free. Because the knowledge you might have might not be knowledge of the truth, can be the knowledge of error that you've learned over the years. So it is not just knowledge, but the truth. That's what you need. You need to have the knowledge of the truth, so that you will not fall victim of people out there who will tell you that this property have C of O. Yes, it might have C of O, but is it a good buy for you? So if you're looking at buying a property in Lagos, Nigeria, or outside Lagos, then the best person to talk to is Dennis Isong. My name is Dennis Isong. I work with landproperty.ng. We help Nigerians in diaspora to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria, and outside Lagos. So if you're a Nigerian diaspora or Nigeria in Nigeria and you want to buy a property and you want to know the truth, the knowledge of the truth, the only person or the only company you should contact is landproperty.ng. Call us. The number on the screen is a number. Call us. Let's rescue you from that knowledge that you might have, thinking that it is the right knowledge. Not know that that knowledge is a knowledge full of error. Don't make a financial decision based on what you know. Contact an expert that will guide you properly, so that you don't make a wrong decision when it comes to real estate. Thank you so much. If what I've said makes sense to you, don't leave this video without sharing this video and without commenting your opinion or ask question or call the number on the screen. Let's make this happen for you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. My name is Dennis Isong.